Today we are gonna cook Galaxy cupcakes.
What we need: 1.5 cup of water, 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. This something.
She getting her half a cup of water. Sinsen is gonna open up the cupcake batter. Let me get some scissors. Yeah, that's where you put it up to.
Some over.
I need the bowl.
We'll get everything out. So we'll get this first.
I want
Get this.
I want this shit.
Look, it's recipe.
Is this?
Come on, sis.
Go over
That's
that.
making too much noise.
So we're gonna open this.
Very good, please.
A few minutes later.
We're gonna put the ice. So the cupcakes is done. So we're gonna put the icing, and the pickles on top. So I'm put the icing.
You get your spoon. You gotta spread it around.
That looks so good. Yeah, you done good. You might need some more, Lily.
Come on, bring me that black charger out there.
I'll do mine. Dang, she got a lot of ounce on hers. See.
No, the phone charge. Tablet charge.
No, Mama.
Get over there, wash. Get on.
Bubble. Nigga. No, yeah.
It doesn't matter which one.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Grab some. Let me see. You got it. Something like that.
This one. Come on.
Let go.
Yeah, she gotta do one more. Everybody do two.
Do the next one.
Y'all ready?
So that's some cinnamon.
They smell like Oreos.
That was insane.
Get it too.
It smelled good, just like
Get all
Oreos.
the paper from the
Yeah,
street.
they smell like Oreos.
So everybody get one. Thank you.
Put some sprinkles on yours. And the ones you do, please.
Okay. So put it in my hand
I need some more ice.
and pink.
You got a lot of ice.
That one got a lot of ice in this.
Yeah, I ain't gonna know.
Not yet, wait.
Not do mine?
Yeah.
You got enough?
I did all the big ones.
Can I show y'all say sprinkles for the other ones? Just a little bit.
You gonna do this, Mom?
Oh, bitch. Say something for the other ones.
Okay.
She ready to.
See?
Okay. So you gonna do the rest, Mom?
Yeah, I do that. So.
I'm gonna do this.
No.
You do it, Mom.
I'm gonna do my
I'll do it. Y'all put the sprinkles.
Okay. This is the One says you're gonna do the rest, and you're gonna put the pickle on
Dang.
It's on the camera. There.
You said right in your hand.
Get
That's
some
in my
rice.
hand. Yeah. And she got light. And don't lose all the sprinkles.
You want?
Yeah, you're gonna use them all to cover them up.
I'm
Man.
gonna put just one less sprinkle. So one little cupcake. Okay, girl.
Listen.
trying to do the same cupcake.
Somebody put it over here.
Okay.
I'm not doing this one. We didn't do one.
Oh, you just for me.
Do that one then. Do that one.
Go on, see. Okay, go.
You know, finish.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can.
you
And the cakes.
So, get which one? That one? Which one you want? This one?
Okay. I'm sorry, hey.
Yeah, she was trying to go ahead. Yeah. Oh, we not sure. Can I say how it tastes? You gotta rate it.
It feels good. I give it a 10 out of 10.
I got it. 10 out of 10. No, 9. It's just because it's just soft. It's too soft for me.
How it tastes? 1 to 10.
5.
5. 5. So, like, comment, all the stuff y'all say.
That comment and subscribe.
Go for all of the channel, the Heavy's family.